Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now click open and click agree and continue. Then you can close this ad and click allow. Now click consent and click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Let me retry connection. And now let's close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.